Hey, in this video we are going to use WP Customizer API to customize our WordPress site. We can change content like this and change images. You can see here and select between dropdown. First go to functions.php. Here you can see I have linked to a customizer.php. We are going to code on customizer.php. You can also alternatively code here. Now I'm going to declare a function here. I'm going to name it theme customizer. Now we have to add action. It would be customize theme, then function name theme customizer function. Sorry, it would be customize register. Here if you go to customize, now we have built-in WordPress customize options. We are going to first add our own panel. For that we have to write this function is take WP customize as argument. Now here we are going to write WP customize, then add panel. Now we have to give it a unique name. I'm going to name it landing panel, then an array. Now we have to give a title. I'm gonna name it landing panel. Then here would be priority. It will be 10. We also have to add capability. It would be edit theme options. Now we have to add a section. You're gonna name it landing page home, then an array. Title would be home section. Then there will be a description. Then now we have to declare the panel. Now we have to add settings and a section. You have to write WP customize add setting. Then first we are going to change this part. We are going to name it small header, landing small header. Now it will have an array. It will have a default value double underscore, then parenthesis. Here the value would be clean and unique. Now we have to write control. Add control, then landing small header. Setting and control must have same unique identifier. Here we are going to label it. Here we are going to write label, then name. It will be small heading. then section. We're going to write our section name here. Then priority, or priority means the order it will be shown on the customizer menu. Let's save it, and if we reload, now we can go to landing panel, then home section, and clean and unique. Now if we change here, it will not change. For that we have to go to front page.php or any page where you want to show the changes. For that we have to write then echo get theme mode. Now I have to write the settings name here. It will be landing a small header. You have to write that unique identifier. Then you have to also write the default value. If we save and reload, now if we change that, it will also change here. We'll make more changes, like now we are going to add a text area. For that we have to go to our settings. Here we're going to write customize, add setting, then landing text area, then array, now we are going to write the control customize, then add settings. Here will be at control. Now landing text area, now array, then label, description, then section, landing page, home, then the priority, it would be 2. Now if we go back to our front page, here to write get echo get theme mode, then landing text area, then default value, sorry, we made a mistake here. We have to write the default value. Now here would be default, and here would be type to be text area. Now if we save, then reload, everything will be there, and it is a text area. Another thing I'm going to show you is that a drop down list. We have to write add setting, then landing drop down, then array, the default it will be about, then have to add setting wb customize add control, then landing, drop down. Here would be an array, then label. Select your page or your link in this case, then priority should be 3, then section, landing page, home, then type will be select. Now if you have to give choices, you have to write an array, then about, it would be about, then contact, it would be contact us, and if we reload, if I want to save it, if we reload, you will see that we have good options. We didn't include that here. For that we have to include, we're going to include that here. We're going to write here get theme mode, then landing drop down, now if you click here it goes to about page. Now if you go back to home and change it to contact us, it will go to contact page. You can also change the link text of the button. For that we have to write another customizer. Let's just copy this. Now place it here. We're gonna name it landing button text. Let's change this name to landing button 1 URL. Here default would be about, label would be button 1 text, and the priority would be 3, and let's change the priority here, it would be 4. Now go to front page. Here default would be about us, or all in capital letter. Now if you go back to front page, you have to write php echo, then get theme mode, then landing button 1 your text. You also have to change that link to be landing button 1 URL. Now if you reload, you can change it to contact us, then change our portfolio, then make it portfolio. If we click here, we'll go to portfolio section. Now the last thing I'm going to do is that we're going to change the background image. For that you have to write here, you have to write WP customize, then add setting, then be landing image, then here a default. You have to find the link of default image, which is here. Let's copy this and paste here. Now I have to write the controller. You have to write customize, add control, then landing, to write new WP customize background image control. It would be image control, then WP customize, then would be landing page, landing image, then have to declare an array. Here will be the label, it will be background image section, be landing page home, then priority should be 5. Now if we go back here, reload, now if we change the image, it will not change yet because we didn't include that to our front page. You have to write get theme mode, then landing image, then if we go back here and change that image, it will change now. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.